Hello friends, today we'll install Speedotrack premium GPS tracking device on Hyundai Creta car. And we will do the installation without any wire cut so that your warranty doesn't get void. So inside the Speedotrack box you will get Speedotrack premium GPS tracking device, 12 volt relay socket and 1 year SIM card with recharge, Airtel SIM card. So for the installation process you have to open this cover just beneath the steering, and this is the ignition coupler. So you have to check using multimeter in which wire you are getting the constant power line without the ignition and in which wire you are getting the power supply when the ignition is on. So we are using relay for testing the current. You can use multimeter also. So we found that the pink wire is the ignition wire. So when the ignition key was turned on, we were getting 12 volt on the pink wire. So we'll connect the relay and ignition wire of the device to this pink wire. So we have removed the pin of the pink wire and attached the same pin to our relay green wire and inserting on the same port where the pink wire was there. And now we have connected the yellow wire of the relay to the same wire so that the relay will get power when the ignition is turned on. And on the another side of the relay we attach the yellow wire of the device, which is the ignition status wire, so that you can get the engine on and off alert to the pink wire. So now we have done the wiring in series via relay socket. Now we have placed the red wire of the device, which is the power supply for the device, to the constant power supply, red wire in that coupler. So the device is getting power from the red wire. Now you have to attach the black wire of the device to any nut or body ground so that the device will get the negative. Since our wire was short, so we have used the red wire for the extension purpose. So now the black wire is connected to the body ground of the vehicle and the device is ready. Now connect the white wire of the device, which is the digital output, to the white wire of the relay, so that if you send the lock command, the engine will get immobilized, locked. Now we'll test the lock functionality from the Speedotrack mobile tracking application. So we have turned on the engine and now we will click on the lock icon and then the lock button. There you will be asked the password. You have to enter your password. After entering the password, click on proceed and click on GPRS. So now the command is successfully executed and you can see the engine is now turned off. So engine is locked, there is no light on the dashboard, the ignition key will not work. So this is completely immobilized your engine. And for returning it to the normal stage, we have to click on the unlock button and click on the password, and after that your engine will get unlocked and you can just turn on the engine. So this is the installation process.